Connecting your My20 app to the ELD. In the top right corner, you will see ELD status. It currently says no ELD. This is how you manually connect and disconnect from the ELD. Go ahead and touch ELD status. After the app completes a scan, you will be presented with a listing of all available trucks to connect to. In this example, you see truck number 128 available to connect to. Please be very careful here to make sure you connect to the correct vehicle if you have other vehicles in the parking lot. Let's go ahead and touch truck number 128 and connect to it. It says connecting and then connected. You need to always check your connection in two places to ensure you're connected before you start driving. It isn't an option. You don't want to find out 2 hours after you're driving that you weren't connected fully. There is no one else that is responsible for this other than you, the driver. Take 1 extra second and check your ELD status screen. Make this a habit every time before you drive your vehicle. Now, go to the ELD status screen and make sure everything is coming out of your ECM port. Touch your menu in the top left corner and you get a drop-down list. Touch Settings and then touch ELD status. ELD status shows you exactly what is connected. Verify everything is connected and showing your VIN, your MAC address, your engine hours, firmware, your truck number, and your status of your ELD. Is it actually connected or does it say no ELD? If you're connected in both places, it will 100% go into drive when you move and reach 5 miles per hour. Your graph will give you feedback by your status line moving to the drive line. This is how you connect to the ELD.